morning, students. Today we are going to start with the first chapter of Business Studies, Class 12, that is Nature and Significance of Management. So let's start with the first topic, that is Meaning of Management. Management is a very popular term and has been used extensively for all types of activities. Successful organizations do not achieve their goals by chance but by following a deliberate process called management. It is an activity which is necessary wherever there is a group of people working in an organization. So, management is a process of doing things done with the aim of achieving goals effectively and efficiently. Here, it is important to understand the meaning of effectively and efficiently. These two terms are different, but they are interrelated. For management, it is important to be both effective and efficient. Effectively means doing the right task and completing it within given time period, whereas efficiently means doing the task correctly, using resources wisely and in cost-effective manner. For example, an employee have a target to produce 1000 units in 1 week, and the employee is able to produce 1000 units but at a higher production cost, means not in a cost effective manner. In this case, the manager was effective but not so efficient, since for the same output more input were used. At times, if the employee may concentrate more on producing goods with a minimum resources but not achieving the target production, then also it is not in the interest of organization. This is a case of being efficient but not effective, since the goods did not reach the market in time. Thus, management aims at efficiency and effectiveness, which can together lead to higher profit and prosperity of an organization. Features of management or characteristics of management. These are the important features of management. We will study it one by one. So let's take the first features of management, that is goal-oriented process. Every business enterprises have different sets of goals depending upon the nature of organizations. Management unites the efforts of different individuals in the organization towards achieving these goals. So we can say that management is that process which helps in achieving the goals of an organization. Now the second is management is all pervasive or universal. So pervasive means which is applicable everywhere. So whether it is a business organization or non-business organization, whether we are sitting in an office or in a playground, principles of management are applicable everywhere. Without management, we cannot achieve our objective efficiently and effectively. So we can say that management is all pervasive. Now the third features of management is multi-dimensional. Multi means many. Management also have three dimensions: management of work, management of people, and management of operation. The fourth one is management is a continuous process. Continuous process means doing a work continuously. Management is a continuous process consisting of series of functions like planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. It continues without breaks and exists as long as organization exists. So we can say that it is a continuous process. Now the fifth characteristic is management is a group activity. The management consists of a number of persons who work as a group. Efforts of all the members of group are directed towards achievement of common organization goals. Member of any organization may have different purpose for joining the organizations, but as its member, they have to initiate, communicate, coordinate and join their hands for the achievement of organization goals. Hence, it is a group activity. Now the next one is management is dynamic function. Dynamic means it keeps on changing. The environment in which a business exists keeps on changing. Thus, in order to be successful, management must change its goal, plans, and policies according to the needs of its environment. So, we can say that management is a dynamic function. Now, the last feature is management is an intangible force. In management is an intangible force that cannot be seen, but its presence can be felt in the wave of organization results. The effect of management is noticeable in an organization where targets are met according to plans, employees are happy and satisfied. So these are the main features of management. Our next topic is objective of management. Every organization is established to achieve certain objectives. Management helps in achieving these objectives in an efficient and effective manner. So we have categorized the objective of management into three parts: organization objective, social objective, and personal objective. Now first come to organization objectives. Organization objective of management refers to the main objectives required to fulfill the economic goals of any business organizations. These are survival. The basic objective of every business is to survive for a long period in the market. The management must ensure the survival of the organization by earning enough revenue to cover its costs. Second organization objective is profit. Only survival is not sufficient for business. Profit earning is also very essential for meeting the expenses and for successful continuity of the business. Thus, management must ensure earning of sufficient profit of the organization. Now, the third one is growth. The next important organization objective of the management is to ensure the future growth and development of the business, which can be measured in terms of increased sales, increase in number of product, etc. Now come to the social objective of management. Every organization is a part of the society. Thus, it has certain social obligation to fulfill. The main social objectives are pollution-free methods of production, increasing employment opportunities, providing basic facilities to employees like school and crèches for their children's medical facilities, etc., to supply quality goods and services at reasonable prices. Now come to the personal objective. Personal objectives refer to the objectives which are related to the employees of an organization. These are financial needs of employees like salaries, incentives and other monetary benefits. Social needs of employees like recognition in the organizations, and higher level needs of employee which include personal growth and development. For every organization, in absence of efficient management, the resources will remain resources and cannot be converted into finished products. These are the main importance of management. The first one is management helps in achieving group goals. The task of a manager is to give a common direction to the individual efforts in achieving the overall goal of an organization. So it helps in achieving group goals. The second one is management increases efficiency. The aim of a manager is to reduce cost and increase productivity through better planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling the activities of the organizations. So it helps in increasing efficiency. The third importance is management creates a dynamic organization. It is generally seen that individual is in an organization resistance as it often means moving from a familiar, secure environment into a newer and more challenging one. But management helps people to adopt these changes easily, so it creates a dynamic organization. The fourth importance is management helps in achieving personal objective. Through motivations and leadership, the management helps individuals to develop team spirit, cooperation and commitment to group success. So it helps in achieving personal objectives. The last one is management helps in the development of society. It helps to provide good quality product and services, create employment opportunities, adopt new technology for the greater goods of the people and leads towards growth and development. So it helps in the development of society. So these are the importance of management. Students, I hope you have understood the lecture and now with the help of it, you will have to answer the following questions. Thank you for watching this video.